Okay, very good. It's being recorded. Okay, then we can share around. Okay, welcome everybody. Now, when you look at the presentations, you will see different colors. The color is for the department. Now, as I understand, I will make the changes. Adeline and Meki, I will also put for now under the blue side. Is that clear? Yeah, you are in the finance side. So we have blue, green, red, brown, purple, and gray. Okay, what does this mean? This means that blue is the finance, green is all our salespeople, red is for the online. I put Jeremy. Yeah? Vasuki side is brown, and then all our customers, yeah, I put purple. That means whether they're buying through Magento or they're online customers. And if you see gray, it means automatic. When you do that number, automatic, the computer will do the next thing. Okay, show of hands, all clear? Yep. Okay, show of hands. Thumbs up if it's clear. Okay, thank you. Meki is missing. Hopefully she can see this later. Okay, so this is very important because Adeline, you do all the purchase overseas also. Am I correct? You just yes, you put thumbs up. Meki, sorry, not Meki, Adeline. Adeline, you're the person who does all the purchase, right?
I mean, for the overseas, Paul is doing the purchase.
Sorry, again, can you repeat that?
For the overseas purchase.
Yes.
Can you?
I'm preparing the PO. Corinne here.
Okay. Corinne's going. Okay. Okay. So now the same thing when this system comes in, the PO will be created by Corinne. She just go into the login and she just do the PO. Okay. The good thing about this PO, when she do, all right, she can straight away send to Bacardi. No need to go into your Outlook. No need to go into your email. You go into Unleashed, you create the PO, you just select, the price will automatically come out, or at least the price that we know, we already create. And then you will press send email. Automatically, just from Unleashed, from your own personal email, that email we send, you will have a record, but you don't have to use two different systems, clear? So you do that. When you have done the PO, okay, now Adeline will then check whether arrived to Port Klang already. Now, when the stocks already come in, okay, Adeline, you press confirm receipt. You go to that PO, you press confirm receipt. That means already come in. Receipt means already received. Is that clear? When you do that, Adeline, all the quantity is already in the system. Later, you can check. You can just pull out the system. You don't need to have another Excel spreadsheet. Do not, I put in red, press complete off. Okay. Once you press confirm receipt, can you see the blue, the gray color part? Adeline, it will automatically add it into the bonded. The quantity is all there. Okay. The reports are all inside for you. You don't have to do anything else. Now, 1 month later, Corinne, is where the money will come in, the cost will come in, right? The price of the freight, any other costs. Okay. So what you have to do, Corinne, is you go to the same PO, you put in the cost of the freight and any other costs if you want to put in, you put into that PO. Corinne will be the person to say complete. When Corinne complete already, straight away, she will go and press post. And when she posts it, it will go in the finance system. Okay. So Corinne, then once it's in the finance system, in your finance system, you no need to create any more thing because you already did number 1. So it's straight, the exact same information, exactly the same information will go into your accounting system. Okay. The only thing, Corinne, you need to do is you need to upload the invoice. Just scan and just attach. It's like how you do attach email. You just go to the invoice, you attach the freight cost, the invoice from Bacardi Martini or from our Thaipore or anybody. And if you have any other costs, very good. After that, Corinne, no need to go to the accounting system to add payment, right? Later I'll show you, you just have to match payment. That's it. Finish. Now, first part clear. Adeline, any questions from your side?
No.
Okay, good. Corinne, clear?
Clear, clear.
Good. Next, this is a local supplier. This one is Adeline, in case sometimes we have to buy some supplies from another local company, or depends. And then maybe next time we've got a lot more officers in Penang, Johor, then they want to buy some last minute from local, also can buy. So I think this one is, if we need to buy, Corinne will create the PO, right? Corinne, you create the PO, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so Corinne will say, okay, we can buy from this supplier, she will buy. Then she will go and make the payment. Once she make payment already, okay, she will ask it. Then the stocks will get ready to go into Vasuki. Okay, if you buy local, you log in, you see got some stocks from some local supplier coming in. Okay, when it come in, then Vasuki will put confirm receipt. Remember, every time you put confirm receipt, means you already received. Just like the first one for the bonded, where Adeline put confirm. So now it's Vasuki's time, because why? Corinne buy from the local supplier. She press save. It will already be in transit, getting ready to go to Vasuki. Once Vasuki confirm receipt, it will go into your inventory. Okay. Then Corinne will then take when everything's finished, you just go same PO. You just say, okay, finished already. I already paid earlier, right, from CIMB. I see that Vasuki already received. I just press complete. And then I post to Unleashed again. I go to the Xero system, which is the accounting. Again, no need to do anything. Just upload the invoice, scan, and just attach to the PO. Now the PO in Unleashed is called bill. Sorry, not even. All right, it's called a bill in Xero. So then you just attach and then you match. Okay, I'm going to the third slide. All clear already? Yep. Okay, good. Now, this is for Jeremy. Jeremy, because you do a lot of things by yourself, right? You do a lot by yourself. So now we try to minimize for you to do the same thing so that you don't have to worry about passing material. So Jeremy, you can also, when you want to buy from Kampai products, right? So especially when you're buying for other supplier, you will be the person to go and do the PO. You go and click all the PO, you just create, okay? Then you automatically, once it comes ready, you on your own will go into the system, just like you press confirm receipt. That means it's already come on your side. The minute you put confirm receipt, you can automatically start selling. Okay. Now, when you get the invoice from the supplier, okay, you check all is good. You look at your PO, oh, very good already. You go and press post. You can press complete and post. This one straight away, it will go into Xero. So when you press complete and post, it will go. Corinne can see this PO become invoice already. Okay. You then, now you give Corinne the documents, right? Correct.
Physical copy, right?
The copy, so no need. So now you already create the PO. You already receipt. The system will track what you buy, correct? And when you go into Xero, I will give you the upload access. You will go and find that PO when you get the receipt, and you just scan and put it up. Okay, so your part is all complete. Every single order you order, you already put into your system. You already attach to the invoice. Full stop. Now, Corinne will be the one who will look at the date and make the payment. And when she makes the payment, she can match that invoice to her bank account. That's it. Finish. Any questions?
Only the part number 3, which is when I click complete. Then number 4 is scan and upload. Scan the invoice that I received from the suppliers, right?
That is correct.
Okay.
Okay. So remember, number 3, you press complete and you post. You do in the Unleashed system. Okay. When you finally get the invoice, instead of giving to Corinne, then people get lost. Do me a favor.
You just upload Xero.
You go to Xero. You will see that PO, which is now a bill, automatically is already there because you already post already. So when you attach, Corinne also can see. Especially MCO, you all cannot see each other anymore. It's going to be not long way, right? So you don't have to worry when Karin will take out the PO or the bill. She said, oh, this bill need to pay. She already checked, already posted complete. She already see the invoice. She no need to worry whether or not the stock got count, because you cannot put this into Xero unless you press force and complete in Unleashed, right? And you can, and when you do that, automatically all this quantity already in the system cannot run away. So these bottles of counting is no more manual. Understand? Like, you know, I already received, then you got to tell Karin the bottles, how many bottles left, these things, all, you're doing all manually, correct? Yep. Now all them is gone. Karin knows that if she wants to pay the bill, she don't need to worry whether the stock, the bottles are in or not, because it's already locked in into Unleashed. Yep. She can pay confidently, knowing that when she pay, the quantity already recorded. Nobody can hide the bottles. Okay, and then once she makes the payment, she goes into the reconcile. She just match this payment to this PO. Automatically, double entry is done at Xero. No need to do anything else. Now I'm going to stop. Number 3, all understand?
Very easy. Yeah.
Okay, good. So that's all we need to know. And this is to show the first 3 parts of the purchase. 1, 2, 3. The 3 of you involved or 4 of you involved, how fast it is. Most important is always create the PO. Next. Now this is for Adeline. Adeline, you want to move the stock from bonded warehouse to other bond. Correct? Okay. So Adeline, for Unleash, you don't have to do much. Okay. Adeline, are you there?
Yes.
Oh, I can't see you. So Adeline, what you need to do is you will go into the system, and all you have to do is you move the bond from KL or Port Klang to Langkawi. Then you press save. You don't have to do anything more. Automatically, it will be in gray. It would be. After that, do we have a people carrying in Langkawi to accept the stocks? To count?
Yes.
Okay. So if there is, then that person will go and confirm receipt for me. Okay. This part all clear?
Yep.
The next part is very important. Adeline, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, I can't, yeah. So if you can just help me with, because I can't see you, if you can just help me with your video, thank you. What you have to do, Adeline, is to assemble the stock. Assemble means what? The stock you will see in the system, when you buy from overseas, all of them automatic, we will pick the SKU. It has DNP. DNP means duty not paid. Okay. Adeline, you are the person who pays, who arranged for the K1 check. Adeline. Adeline.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You have to turn off your this thing. You put your speaker. Are you the person who buys the K1 sheet, who arrange the K1 sheet?
Yes.
Okay. So Adeline, to be able to make a bond to duty paid, you must go in the system and buy tax stamps. Just like what you're doing now.
Yeah,
You buy
correct.
tax stamps, and then you put the product together with the tax stamp. That's called assembly. It means you tampa the tax stamps on the SKU. Okay. When you do that, the product will have the DNP will disappear. Then, when Vasuki, this product come to the office, you press confirm receipt. Then this product will be in your warehouse. Okay. Automatically. Then
Okay.
finance, what you need to do is you buy the tax stamps. Who bought the tax stamp? Adeline buy the tax stamp. Okay. But then there is charges from, what does the company? Blue Force, right?
Correct.
So what happened is Adeline do the assembly, she will change the product from duty paid to duty paid. But when duty already received, then Corinne will go into the system. She will add the transport, the blue force charges plus sticking charges also, right? All the charges inside, add in, and then you complete. Once you complete and you post it to Xero, same thing. Xero will have all the information of the invoice of Blue Force, the invoice of custom, how many text stamps you buy, right? And then you will just take that K1 sheet and upload the Blue Force sheet, upload. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I also understand we have got Penang office, we have maybe Johor next time. So this one is very easy. Corinne, you just go there and you just move from KL to Penang or Johor or Malacca. Wait for the other side to press confirm receipt.
This one should done by Mickey.
Mickey, okay. So Mickey, when it goes, where are the offices that we have, local offices in Malaysia?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Where are the offices we have in Malaysia other than KL? We have Penang.
Yeah, Penang and Johor.
Penang and Johor, right? Now, when the stocks we move to the other side, we have our own office there, is it, for the stocks to be there?
Yeah, we have salesman over there.
So that means we will change the salesman will press receipt. Oh,
Okay.
receipt means already received. So Mickey, you move. Oh, Mickey move. I thought it's Adeline move.
Actually, last time until now, for all the
Mickey is,
incoming,
under billing,
yeah.
Sorry, cannot. Sorry, can you say again?
For the stock transfer, everything, actually Mickey is the one doing the stock transfer for not only the duty paid, duty free, or all the incoming stock coming. All is Mickey is the one doing.
Yeah.
So now moving forward, who's going to do?
I think I'm the one who's doing it.
Okay. So Mickey, your work is very easy.
Mm-hmm.
You just transfer in the system. You ask the salespeople there, go to and then put receipt, confirm receipt.
Okay.
Correct or not? So that's it. The next one is duty payment. This is for Adeline. Adeline, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Adeline, is there something wrong with your video? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Adeline. Okay. So step number one, Adeline, you need to buy the tax stamps from custom. So you just need to go to the system. Okay, I just explained to you. Example, this is the SKU is wrong, but I just put example because I want them to understand. 001 BOM 070 DNP, example is Bombay Sapphire 70 CL, duty not paid. Okay. 005 BAR 07 is Bacardi Rum, duty not paid. Example, if the duty for Bacardi Bombay is 85 ringgit and the duty for Bacardi is 80 ringgit off per bottle. Just example. So you want to buy tax stamps. You want to buy 10 bottles for Bombay and 20 for Bacardi. So Adeline, what you need to do is you just go to Unleashed and you buy. It means you go down there and create a PO to buy 10 pieces of tax stamp. Let me see, 001, the green color one. You want to buy 10 pieces of TXS, this tax stamp, for Bombay and 20 pieces for Bacardi rum. So if it is 85 ringgit for Bombay and 80 for Bacardi rum, you buy 10, you buy 20, will be 2,450 ringgit. Clear? Is that clear, Adeline?
Yes.
So this one will be in your K1 sheet, correct? Because the price is more or less the same. Paul has told me it's more or less the same. It's fixed price, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So your K1 sheet is exactly the same as what you buy from you buy in the system. That's all you have to do. So you check your K1 sheet, you buy accordingly, you see the price is all correct, you create the PO already, finish. Okay.
Okay.
When you complete that, the system, when you press complete, then your system will say, oh, inside the system now got 10 stamps for Bombay and 20 for Bacardi. Okay, you must complete first. You must make the purchase in the system first, right? Because you already buy, you buy from customer. Once it's already purchased, you already pay money already, you press complete, then you can change the SKU from bonded to duty paid. So what you do, you take the blue color one, which is the SKU, is duty not paid. You add the text stamp, you press assemble, straight away the DNP will disappear and you will create the SKU to be sold, which will come to the KL office. This will be the SKU that goes into Basuki's warehouse. Is that clear or not?
Clear.
Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. So how to purchase text stamps? Okay. So Adeline, you create a PO. Your supplier will be the customs, correct? You go and take
Yes.
the text stamp. You press confirm receipt. Confirm receipt means I already got the text stamp. Then you go and create your sample, put them together, and then you complete. That's it. Once you do that, Corinne said everything will be automatic. Number 3 to number 3. Okay. Now you must give the K1 sheet to, but actually no need. Adeline, you will also have your own access in Xero, so you can upload the K1 sheet. Okay. And the transportation cost, Corinne can upload. Just scan and just upload. No need to do any more information.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And then now is for Mickey, how to create an order. Okay. Now, Mickey, you are the person doing, but we are going to ask if I don't know whether Corinne, this is better to ask the salespeople to do it, because the ordering that May is doing can be done on an app, on a mobile app. All of you can do the mobile app. Okay. What you have to do is you go to the app, you create the sales order, you put the product, and then you put your name on it. All of you get the same access. So the salesperson's name will go in it. We create different salespeople's name. Then you just put as draft. Okay. Corinne will see it in her app. She will see it in her laptop, in her home. Okay. So Corinne will then now go and create from her laptop, just go and create the payment link, right? And from the Unleashed system, she just cut and paste the payment link inside Unleashed, press send, straight away email will be sent to the customer. Or then customer can go make payment. So Corinne will go and check. Payment coming already, she just press, she go back to the same sales order, she press ship. Ship means Basuki, you will get a pick and pack. Basuki get a pick and pack. Okay. She will then do everything. Once she's finished already, she will go and press complete. She sent out already, she press complete. Okay. Once completed, Corinne, you can post it to Xero. Just post. It will automatically create invoice, right? And you don't have to worry because this money already received. Then that's why I was sending you some email as last year. You just match and finish for payment link. Any questions so far? Clear? Okay, credit term. This is for all our customers for credit term one, right? They got 30 days, 60 days, 100 days, whatever. Same thing. Either Makey can do, salespeople can do. They just go and create the sales order, right? They will put as draft. They put their name and put draft. So, Corinne, you know, this one cannot collect money after 30 days. So you just go and press ship. You give instructions to ship. Basuki, under number 2, will do a pick and pack. She will receive, once she's finished, she already sent. She press complete. Done already. Then you go and post to Xero. Okay, same thing. Then this one is Magento. This is where Adeline is involved. Adeline, are you there? Okay. So,
Please.
Adeline, so this one, Adeline, for Magento, you know, the customer will go onto yeah. So what happens is, what we're trying to do in this one is, when the customer has already paid, nobody need to do anything because the system will automatically create ship. So Karine no need to worry. So once the customer go Magento already paid, it's a successful transaction. Straight away, Basuki will get pick and pack. She will send it out, and when she's done, she press complete. Once complete, Karine, you can post this transaction into Xero. Just press post, right? And you don't know and you don't have to do anything else because payment already made. You just match the payment in the online, which is red dot, and this invoice. Just match in the bank feed. Any questions so far?
Nope.
No.
This is for Jeremy, same thing. Jeremy, your WooCommerce, we are trying to do the link. So once the customer complete in Unleashed, you constantly push shift. You will get a pick and pack. You go and pick and pack yourself. Upon completion, you press complete and post it to Xero. Straight away, it goes to Karine's side. Karine, all this process doesn't need to do. The only thing Karine does is you can see, yeah, for all online, she just will have to match the payment the customer made together with the invoice.
Sorry, this will be integrated in WooCommerce, right? The complete part.
Yes, but the integration, the API key, we are still looking for it. When we find the exact API key, then we are going to integrate this Unleashed directly with WooCommerce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, the one that is for sure we can do is Magento. Okay. So bond to bond. Who does the bond to bond? Adeline, you do the bond to bond. Is it the customer or is it Karine? Karine. Okay, missing.
Adeline.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. So who does the bond to bond? Karine, you do the bond to bond, right?
I'm the one doing.
Adeline.
Adeline. Okay. So bond. So Adeline, you can create the sales order, right? And then you can send it to the customer. But there is a payment link, right? Or it's a check, this one?
Sorry?
For the bond to bond, is it a check, the payment?
No. Normally it's online.
So Karine, they pay online also. They pay bank transfer, is it?
Yes.
So Adeline, are you the person creating the bank, the link, or is it Karine? Karine create the bank link, is it?
The direct transfer.
Can I jump in?
After they receive the PI.
Chris, okay, bond to bond also same. They have payment in advance or term.
Terms are correct.
Term of payment in advance got two payment methods.
So for this one, the same thing. The person who will approve the movement is Shipma. Karine, you press ship number 2. Once Adeline is created the sales order, right? Whether payment received, payment not received, as long as you press ship, then it will generate. We have a pick and pack. You can take the pick and pack. You can email to whoever in a bonded warehouse needs to move the stocks. Okay. Once it's completed, Karine, you just press complete and post. It will straight away go into Xero. And then when you collect the money already, the invoice will be created inside Xero. So it will be there, accounts receivable. Okay. When you have collected the money and you just match the exact payment, the bank payment, to the invoice, the whole thing will be worked out. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that's it. So, you know, we've done quite a lot already. Now we're going to use the system also. We are going to do SOP. What you have seen right now is the SOP we will do for every single step. Right? We will do every single step so everybody knows, and we're going to share this document with everybody so you know the steps. The stock counts of Vasuki, the system will now automatically count the stocks. You will key into your system how many you have at the end of the week. You just key in, key in, key in. The system will automatically inform Paul what is the discrepancy. You will not know, she will know. And it will be recorded every week. That's it. So no need to figure out how much, how many, where is, what's the total number, because the system will deduct every time we complete. Every time it goes out of the warehouse and our warehouse press complete, the system will automatically deduct the quantity, and at the end of the week will tell us what we are supposed to have. Nobody needs to do it anymore Excel. We will also use this for POS system, so we need to get from everybody all our POS quantity. Sampling and consignment bottle also very easy now. The sampling bottle and the consignment bottle can be created by any of the salesperson to create the PO. All right, and we will just ship it out. Once you ship it out, the system will know that the quantity is on hold. All right, and it will tell us what is unpaid and what is paid. Stock availability, all salespeople now, you don't have to worry to call, send WhatsApp. Jeremy, no need to ask whether we have, don't have, because we have one common login for sales, just for the sales team. You log in, you can see what have, what don't have. And then last but not least, there will be a lot of analysis for Paul so that he can give the whole report to Bacardi on a monthly basis. Nobody needs to prepare the reports already, or to tell when Paul needs it, you need to collect, because it automatically will create the report. Okay, so we have how to create a report. This is under construction. This is our Paul. How to make the report, what kind of report you can make, etc. All that will be created. Any questions so far?
All good.
Okay, so I will share with you the beauty about all this, which you're going to share with you all, is that there are about 500 videos about Xero and Unleashed. 500 about everything you need to know about. So if anytime any one of you have any problems with the system, you can click. I've given you some how to do a purchase order. Okay, hold on. So click. Just tell me if you can see the video. If you click on it, automatically this PowerPoint given to you all has got automatic link to video. Can you see a video? Yes or no? Can you see the video?
No.
Okay, hold on now. Okay, wait, I go back. Can you all see? Can you all see the screen? All about purchase order. Can you all see this?
Yes.
Okay, so this PowerPoint when you give you, if you just click on this, all the materials, when you double click, this is what you will see. You will straight away get a video. Can you all see the video now?
Yep.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Will from Unleashed. In this video, I am going to show you how we raise a purchase order in Unleashed. But before we do that, I just want to quickly cover off what a purchase order is. Now, a purchase order is a form of communication.
Wait, sharing. Share, sorry. So go back to. Okay, so what I'm going to share here is that this whole PowerPoint presentation, yeah, which is going to share with all of you. There is a lot of video links that we're going to create for you also. That's what Tasdit has been doing. He can create all the different links, how to create sales order, how to create sales order in the mobile app, all the different types related to this, we will also put in this PowerPoint for you. When you receive the PowerPoint, you just double click like this and click. And can you all see the video? Can you see this video? Yes or no? Yep. Yeah, and you see how to create Unleash in an app. So the whole video will show you how to do on the mobile app. Okay, so there's a lot of there is okay, how to create sales order in app also.
Creating and viewing sales orders on the go has never been easier with the Unleashed mobile sales app. Your business doesn't have to stop. Have access to your Unleashed sales data with you wherever you go. Remove the need for paper catalogues and order forms by using the sales order function on the mobile sales app. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. For this demonstration, I'm on an iOS device, but both interfaces are the same. To create an order on your mobile sales app, sign into the app and tap the hamburger menu, and then tap on Orders. The orders list will show you the 50 most recent orders of your customers for who you are the default salesperson. Tap on the filter icon to filter your orders by order status. To add an order, tap on the plus button to open your order screen. Here, select the customer you wish to create an order for. Under the Products tab, search and select the products you wish to add. The pricing shown is the pricing you have set up for this customer within your Unleashed account. Under the Order Details tab, update the customer reference, add any discounts, select the required buy date, add any relevant notes, and choose your customer's delivery address. Once you have filled out all of the relevant fields, you can tap on the back button to save it as a draft and come back to this order later. Or, if the order is complete, tap on the upload button to send it to your Unleashed account. Once this has been done, it can no longer be edited in the app. When the order is uploaded, it will appear in your Unleashed account as a parked sales order. You can add your sales channel to your sales order view to make it easier to keep track of mobile sales orders. Simply click on the Show Toolbar button, select Hidden Columns, and then drag and drop the sales channel button into your grid view. You can then save this to be your default view. By using the app to create sales orders, you'll have more time to focus on building your customer relationships. Thank you for watching.
I'm done. Okay. Is it clear? This is an introduction, and is it clear for everybody? Yep. Okay, that's it. So we will continue to build this. We will start the process on the 1st of August. And then on the 18th of August, all of you will be given some homework to try to play the system. And then on the 1st of September, we go live. So if there's no more, any questions? Okay.
Not for me,
Any
please.
questions? Okay. All right. So thanks for attending this introduction. Get ready for this. Just to let you know, we are going to change the SKUs to the 10-digit SKU. We noticed it's not complete. I will send to all of y'all what the SKU means so that y'all will know. You can read the SKU. We created a long time ago. I noticed it's not been followed, so we're going to go back to it. It's a 10-digit number so that when you look at the SKU, you know exactly the size, the type, called gift box, no gift box, or cradle, no cradle. The SKU will teach you how to read. Common system, we also will use the system for all the products that Jeremy is buying. And so when you go into all our products, it's a standard SKU coding. Okay, so we will also share with that. So hopefully it'll be so very systematic. Any other questions? Okay.
One question that Vasuki asked me in the beginning of the meeting was that in the beginning of like September, are we gonna still use the manual worksheet that she is using right now? Because a lot of the information will not be being input in yet, right? Like the stock quantities. Sorry, can you hear me?
No, okay, repeat again, sorry.
So, in the beginning of September, are we gonna still use the existing system with the new system, or just completely move to the new system?
The new system is very straightforward. There's nothing to worry about backup because the system is everything is automated. All your information comes from Unleashed straight into Xero. All right. The system, thankfully, the people in Thaipore have also gone through it. People like Elaine, myself, and quite a number of the logistics people have gone through. So if there's anything that you all need to know what to do, you can always ask them, right? But it's very, very straightforward. There is nothing in the system that you need to work things parallelly. Yeah?
Okay.
Because it's a very straightforward system of buying, removing. You don't require. So what we are currently doing in our system is that we're doing everything manually, right? All is in Excel spreadsheet. Any comments, thoughts? I hear no comments.
No.
Corinne, any comment from you?
No, just follow.
No.
Okay, to be able to follow, I just have to repeat, you all must take the time, especially this COVID period, where things are a little slower. You must use this time to play with the system. So I encourage you all to start playing, yeah? Watch all the videos that I send you. If you have any questions, please go through the PowerPoint and make sure that the PowerPoint is clear. And anybody who read, next time when any new staff come to our company, they read the PowerPoint, they read the SOP, they know exactly what to do. And very importantly, if you have no comments, that means the SOP is clear. If you're past the SOP that's still not clear, please ask. Yeah.
Chris.
Yes.
Okay, you say the PO with me, after they packing the stock, then I click the complete, right? Or the stock out for the customer, the driver give me a chop and sign. After that only I click the complete, or all the packing side, I click the complete. Which one I want to do?
Very good question, Suki. So clearly you're listening. You complete once they have signed and chopped. Is that clear, Basuki? Basuki, is it clear? Can you hear? You're on mute, cannot hear you.
Sorry, Chris?
You do chop, you receive from the voice, you go into system, then you press complete.
That means customer receive the stock, they bring the chop and copy, then only I click the system in the complete, correct? So did I put any particular dates? Normally invoice coming by today, tomorrow only we delivery, maximum 2 days or something. Okay, that is only for local side. If outstation we using for transport, we make only we take a times 3 days or 2 days. So once the transport giving the one month one times only, they giving the chop and sign the document with me, the invoice with me. So how that part for the transport side, for the outstation side?
In outstation side, they give you a report, but will you know in a couple of days whether the other side has received it?
We only if they will receive only 2 days or 3 days only, they will receive completely. They will receive. I will know already. So once they receive, they never.
When you already know, okay. So local is easy.
Local is easy.
Local, when you send out of the warehouse, you go into that PO, right? And you will key in the shipping date. And you press it because it's a comment section. So you just go there, ship on this date, full stop, press save, right? You just save it, etc. So anybody want to ask any question, Corinne, Paul, they click, they can see your comment already on the PO. Understand? And then when you already send and you receive for local, the shop, you go into the same PO, you press complete, finish, done. And now Corinne can take and do other things. For overseas, when it's gone out, you go in key in again, in the same comment box, okay? Once you left the warehouse, you put there, this PO left our warehouse with this supplier, this courier company on this date. Full stop, just leave there. 2-3 days, you know whether it's received already, right? Correct? Then you go there and you press complete.
Chris.
The only person who press complete is you. If we ask any question, we only know the person who can complete is you, right? So you have to be very clear.
Sorry. Can I interrupt? Chris, can I suggest another step? Which is like for Wasuki, once you pick and pack and out, then he just says send. And then another step is to complete, maybe the last one, whereby they receive the blue copy, which is job and side one, then somebody have to do complete. Another step, maybe. Before the complete, maybe another step, you just for Wasuki, just say out, sending, sending. And then the last one, then Wasuki have to do another step, complete. Complete means customer have received. Yeah.
So yes, Taslim put this on note. Speak with YYC to ask them if they can turn on the in transit. Remember, they have a ship and they have an in transit, right? So we need to activate those two. Okay. So Paul, I think there is a module that when you press in transit, it shows that it's moving.
Correct. So Wasuki, when you pack the transporter pick, then just in transit. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, I promised you all that was going to take an hour. I'm not going to take more than 1 hour. The most important thing, this is the introduction. I think the earlier we give you an introduction, the more you see, the more you get familiar with it. This version 3, we should complete by this week, by tomorrow, because we are going through again with this company who's doing all the integration, right? I will send to you version 3 by email. Okay, please read it. And every time we make new changes, I mean, we add more. Like, for example, now we know this transit, now we know when to, we would add all the information inside. Then we keep changing the version 4, version 5, version 6. Every time we send it to you, delete the old version, keep this new version, and just keep going through. Anything you don't understand, you want us to add in the SOP, just write to us, and we will put it in. Okay? Very important. Once we create this SOP, very easy. Nobody need to ask questions. Everybody is involved in the same document. All right?
Chris.
It should be. So to answer your question, yes, Corinne, go ahead.
How about the hypermarket direct sales? Also same procedure, but the terms is 90 days, 60 days.
The hypermarket,
direct sales to the hypermarket.
Okay, tell me why.
So the procedure is same, right? But the payment terms is 60 days, 90 days.
So you saw that all those belong under the spreadsheet I put that credit term.
So once the PO is already created, Karin, you just press ship. That means you will allow it to go through. That shipment is going to allow through, right? Once you press ship, then the pick and pack is created, right? Only when you know everything already done, then you press complete, it will go to zero, but payment is still not done yet. It will just record the sale. Then when you receive the payment, you just link against the invoice.
Okay. So same procedure.
Same hypermarket. Anybody with credit is one format. Everybody who buy Magento, one format. Anybody who buy a payment link, one format. So exactly the same.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay. So thanks everyone. I will just share with you, just as a reminder, that
Quiz.
Yes,
I have a
me.
question. If we have new customer or new products, who are the one to create the new product listing or what?
For now, to make sure that interim for the first 6 months, I'll ask Tazit to do. Okay, to make sure that it's just systematic. So the SKU number is just, we have our system. So we also create a system where the new SKU that go in, we create the product, and then it automatically will create the SKU. To make sure that we create the same example, if it's, so our like Tazit will do it, then just you put it into the system. Okay, new customers, new SKU for now. Then later you pass it over, just to make sure that everything is. So again, the SKU number 10 digit, I repeat, is the SKU for all our product, also the products that we buy. So Jeremy, you need to force your products that you are buying, you create your own SKU but follow the same format. So that whenever you are packing, also your people in their eye, they can see whether it's a Thaipore product or a product we buy from outside, the SKU number got system, so they know they can read very quickly. Okay. The SKU will be put into Unleashed, which is our inventory, and it will carry straight to zero, so you don't have to worry whether it's put on one side. As long as everything you put under the inventory you buy correctly, everything else will flow. So no need to key in, rekey in. Okay, it's a bit noisy now, so I really have to go, but we'll continue by next week.